Whooping cough cases are surging in Oklahoma compared to all of last year. We've already seen 30 times the cases.
Reported. Let's break down the numbers here. Only 7 were reported in 2023. So far this year, 229 cases have been reported, according to the CDC. The CDC reporting 17 cases of whooping cough in Oklahoma just this week. We talked with a pediatrician from Norman Regional about what they're seeing.
I don't necessarily think anyone needs to panic. I think the big takeaway is, making sure that we are preventing illness. Even if you are vaccinated against whooping cough, you can still be a carrier of it and you can pass it on to others.
The Oklahoma Department of Health says symptoms of whooping cough, also known as pertussis, starts like a cold with a runny nose, mild cough or fever, but develops into coughing fits where patients have trouble catching their breath. It's hard to listen to if you have heard someone with whooping cough.